Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Give me. Oh wait, hold up. All right, give me a second to figure out the whole live situation. I know no one's here. Hmm. Oh, hold up, hold up. All right, what's up, April? That's one way to do it. Forgot to. Top of the morning. Forgot how to. Where is it? Top of the morning, I hit you. Top of the morning, Jack. Hold on. There we go. One second, y'all. Gotta share the link. No, that's the wrong link. Hold up. All right, y'all. So, hey, just want to let you know if you made it in, hey, you made it in because this was low key. This was low key gonna be a. This is low key a private live stream. But if you got the link, you got the link. So, hey, to those of you that hey made it through, hey, happy to see y'all. And yeah, we already took 3 trades today. Just to those of you that are, I guess, not in the Discord or not a part of the WAP. So right now, here, let me actually add those plays. Him since you said you made it. Hey, glad to see you in. Glad to see you in. What's up, family? All right, so just to update y'all, I'm in a call on Meta, a call on Grab, a call on Apple, and I grabbed all of them this morning. And I think we're actually, hey, we're kind of like banging like all of them. Let's see. Real quick, just a quick little. Yeah, we're up like 31% on the Apple, 21% on the Grab, and the 72% on the Metas. Picked all those up this morning. Hey, always April. Top of the morning, top of the morning. Hey, glad to have you. Well, I'd rather have you here than not here anyway. All right, let's see. Hold up. Also, if I look like I'm looking in weird directions, I like switch my layout around. So it's throwing me off a little bit. Let me also make sure. Still gotta get used to this stuff. If y'all have anything y'all want to like look at, any questions or anything, don't hesitate to ask either, cause I I'm pretty sure I've entered my positions, but I just want to yeah, I've entered my position. So honestly, we're just gonna be chilling here. My intention is to actually just kind of swing these positions. We got time. All right. Uh, hey Jerry, what's up, family? Top of the morning. D Scurv, top of the morning. Tesla, Elon isn't paying 1 billion. Oh, playing. Yeah, I know. And then he's also talking about like what Tesla has done in sales for like cars and stuff is like nothing compared to what it has in the future of robotics. So yeah, that's kind of crazy. Here. So Karaya, how do I get into the Discord? So the Discord, here, let me find the link. I really got have to get reoriented to things. Let's see. Here, I'll get a link for you real quick. So it's going to be on the WAP, but there's a 5-day free trial. Let's see. Where are we at? Oh, there we go. All right, so I'll drop the link real quick. Let's see. There we go. Is today? Today's Monday too. So I would say, yeah, it's probably one of the best days to get it. Ideally, you get it like the start of Monday, so you utilize all the days. All right, I got in that Apple trade, but stopped out right before I was adjusting the stop loss. How high might it go? I might. Okay, so here, yeah, we can actually talk about why I got in those trades, what I see for these trades. All right, so yeah, there's a reason I got in these trades. I wanted time, I want potential. Honestly, I think I am chilling in these trades till at least like Wednesday, or I can chill. I might take profit on some of them tomorrow, but I think I'm chilling. I got a great entry on all of them. I feel like I should be all right. But talking about Apple here, let's zoom out on Apple. I think Apple, so we kind of came in like, so we had this demand zone or supply zone created. We came back, revisited, we got our sell off, we swept this liquidity, and we're pushing up now. So I would think we can come take out this high, and I actually think we can push higher. Like I think we might get, I think we can get up to at least 150, if not all-time highs. I think this has the potential to take us on somewhere. Now, when I say talk about the potential and whatnot, I've been seeing, I'm in a sense an Apple fanboy. I'm not like a crazy Apple fanboy, but it's like I like to follow like what's going on, their development, the stuff that's coming out, how things are. And I've seen that Apple is, what is it? I've seen that Apple, like the iPhone sales for the 17 Pro, it's sold out, and or yeah, it's sold out. You gotta wait till like, you gotta wait at least a month. Like the demand is already pushed it out there. I'm gonna actually check to see if it's changed at all. But the demand for that iPhone 14 Pro or 17 Pro is there, and it's looking good. So it's like if Apple's actually getting demand like that, I think it'll push up. I don't even think that news has really hit the wires or anything yet. So I see potential for like a pop or a boost from that. But 1 second. And I got like 2 weeks time on everything minimum, so it just it seemed all right. You said the chart for Palantir was looking like upside, and it has retest. I'm gonna call till Friday. Should have gotten out. Here, let's take a look. Okay, so Google also wanted to know. Hey, Google popped up doing this thing. D-Scurv. I don't know if you're still in the Google, but if you are, I wish I was still in my Google. My goodness, I feel like I had some till the 26th, but I took profit on them. But I don't have to do that anymore. I like put a little more in so I can hold stuff a little longer. But yeah, let's look at Palantir. Then I'm gonna see what's up with the Apple. So Palantir actually might be approaching a decent area for an entry. Like yeah, it looks like this 178 or 168, 167 area, they look good for like a continuation pattern. The trend actually, hold up. There's actually a trend within this channel that's like looks pretty strong. Yeah, I would say this looks like it's pretty close to a good spot for entry. Like just looking at the trend line, I'll say that 13 EMA, if it comes and touches that, hey, that's money. So I guess like a little below 167. Not still in on the Google calls, close the last ones. Yeah, they would be up huge today. Wait, hold up. You said something about Tesla, right? Oh yeah, you said okay. I thought you were saying something about having Tesla shares. I'm like, oh. All right, I'm gonna go to the Apple website real quick. Let me see what these are looking like. So my intention is to get the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I was gonna wait like a couple months, but now it looks like I don't even have the. Wait, hold up. So they're supposed to be available starting this Friday, but yeah, it looks like no matter what, you gotta wait. Here, let's see. All right, so I'll just pick a random color. What's the wait time looking like? Oh, Meta's pushing up some more. Let's see how those are doing. Oh, I didn't tell y'all why I was looking at Meta either. Here, I'll have to tell y'all in a second. Let me see what's up with this Apple real quick. Bye. Okay, it's still looking like October 7th, October 14th. Let's see if I wanted to switch the color up. Okay, that's still chilling. Now if okay. All right, so it's still like looking about a month on everything. All right, so here was in on Apple and grab calls also Elf and Serve showing cup and handle. Here, let's see. There's so much good stuff out there right now. Honestly, I'm probably chilling for now unless some of these are at like some fire sale levels. Let's see. Elf. Oh, okay, Elf is doing his thing. I think I have 2 shares of Elf and I'm cooling with it. You know, Elf is one I used to have when it was like down, like similar to like Palantir. Like I had a couple hundred shares of this a long time ago too, back when it was in the like maybe like $8. This is another one I kind of, bro, it's crazy. I've done that multiple times. But serve. When you say cup and handle on Elf, are you talking about this time frame? I feel like I vaguely see it, but it looks like it already kind of like took off, and it's on with it. Oh, you said on the 4 hour. Okay. Oh, you also said on the daily. Hold up. No, I see it. I see it. And then let's see. Serve. Let's go up to a 4 hour. Serve Robotics CFO sells shares. Wait. Oh, you said it's showing the cup and handle as well. Yeah, it's gonna curl up for a move. Looks like it is. Looks like it's getting ready to go up. I like it. All right, so when I was talking about what is it, Meta? Yeah. When I was talking about Meta and the reason I got in on Meta today, first off, if we look, it's been like pretty much it had this pop at earnings, but if we zoom out, it's pretty much been like consolidating since earnings. What's crazy is we haven't got a pullback to fill this gap, but they have an event on Wednesday. I think it's expected to kind of go over like some kind of like I don't know, maybe like their meta glasses and stuff like that, meta AI, all that good stuff. And oh, it just seems like a really good catalyst to me. So I was like, yo, let's run it. I think it's at a good level. I think it could show more upside. Meta's a solid company. We can see their EMAs recently just crossed back to the upside. So they look like they have some room to run. So oh, you don't see my charts? I just been here. Let's see if I can fix this. Let's see. Real quick. Let's see. Wait, that's oh, that's the wrong one. I'll cut this one out. Let's why is it not updating? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's something else. Okay. This really be throwing me off sometimes. Let's see. Is it going? No, I'm gonna have to. So let's. Okay. All right, there we go. Cool. Appreciate the heads up, D's curve. Yeah, that was yeah, I would have gone like that all day. Oh, let's see. Let's check in on BMNR. That's one I was I'm looking at now. Oh, I have an alert for this 13 EMA. I was thinking of getting some, but looks like the 13 EMA was possibly a little. May have missed it. Who knows? How's the audio sound? I'm playing with the different mic. I feel like it picks up more, but I also feel like I don't know, I feel like this simplifies my process. Okay. Hey, I glad to hear you think it's good. Appreciate that, Mahishu. Hey, also, I gotta say, yo, if you slipped in here, yo, you're a real one. You're a real one. You saw that alert, you're like, yo, it's time to stream. Hey, love it, love it. It's amazing. Let's see. I want to check in on Microsoft. See how it's doing on the weekly, because I feel like this is one like that play I was talking about whenever we swept this level over here. I think I might have called it out not last week, but the week before. Hold up, is Devin? Hold up. Let me check in and see if Devin's here, because I think he was the one that was like riding that play. Oh, D Scurv, I see you on the group too. Let me the live trading. I think you're in the live trading chat on Discord too. Let me there we go. Oh, I wanted to look at Tesla again too. Bro, that's a massive gap on Tesla. It's crazy how things can just turn around so fast. I want to check the rate cut odds. See if they changed it all. Nah, they're the same. The Qs is just pushing. Like the SPY is kind of pushing, but the Qs, the Qs trying to run the 600. What's the Meta Apple call? So I got, let's see. So I'm gonna let you know the Metas have like really run since I got them. So it's like way kind of past it. But the Meta I got September 26 Meta calls. I got them for the $810 strike. Here, I'll add them up here just so I can see them real quick. Let's so the Metas, I got these right here. And I paid $155 per share. So I got them for less than they were before today. All right, so we'll add that to the watch list. All right, and then the Apple trays I got Grab too, but let's see. Taking a look at Apple. Got the same day I got September 26th, and I grabbed the 245 strike. I paid 95 per share. And honestly, the reason that I grabbed the Apple call was because I was doing a tutorial. I was like, let's find something that we think is. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Hold up. This one right here. And then the last one I got was grab. And we got leaps on that one. Got January 2027. And it was the 550. And paid 150 for them. All right. Yeah, so that's everything that was picked up today. Hey, the like to lurk ratio. Oh, it's looking right. Looking right. Appreciate y'all, family. Appreciate y'all smashing that like button. Looking good. I don't think it makes a difference. This is purely for my ego. I got the 550 strike D-curve. Let me see. Where's that? Where's my mouse? Yeah, 550. And I think I paid like, what was it, like 150? Yeah, I paid 150 per share. And this time all those I grabbed two, so that way when I get up enough, I can like sell out of one and still have one to ride. Cause I'm like tired of watching these plays run. I'm like, oh, it went and did what I did, but I'm like, yo, I don't want to risk it in an overnight, but should be good. I think we're good until FOMC at least. I'm seeing a lot of people say there's like it's not out of the question for us to get like 50 points. Apple's pushing. Let's see. Hey, it's trying. Apple is trying. I'm here for it. I still haven't seen anything about the news about. Wait, hold up. Oh, I guess it is because I see high pre-orders for the iPhone 17 are expected to boost Apple's Q3 results, while supplier stocks may see minor gains as focus shifts to next year's product cycles. They got another event next month where they're expected to do their laptops and iPads and stuff. I'm probably gonna get a new laptop too. Honestly, I'll probably get the laptop before the probably get the laptop before I get the iPhone. Not rushing as much, but the laptop. Apparently the new iPhone is more powerful than my laptop, which is kind of crazy. I do a lot on this. Apple needs to break that 240 for real push up. No, yeah, I think it got it. I think we're gonna leave this supply zone. We still haven't like cleared it yet, but I think we're going to. All right, so we got the first candle close of the day on the 4-hour. I'd say most things we are looking good. And since got back into Apple, further expiration, lower price. 10 delta. You said pushing it. Hey, at least you got like more time. That's like you get a little time. Sometimes these you get a little momentum. Some of those further ones you'll see the IV kind of run up more on those. IWM. Here, let's pull that up. IWM's trying to get to those all-time highs right now. It's about $3 off, but it's trying. That's crazy. You mind checking out Snap? No news, but it's holding. I mean, we can check it. We can check Snap. Oh, Snapchat has been on a journey. So first thing I see is there is some liquidity up here at 762. Oh, I just move that. Yeah, we got some. It's approaching liquidity. I don't know what it means though, cause it already. Let's see. Here, let's actually try to zoom out. Let's see what it looks like on a weekly. I don't even know how I feel about it. Here, let's go to the daily. I don't know, just the way its chart is. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. Devontae. That's not the call I got. Yeah, honestly, I don't know if Apple will move at that pace. Yeah, because if Apple doesn't move up fast enough, then that's going to die. But I'll say it has potential. So you think it's moving because of TikTok news? Yeah, I saw something saying that Trump said they think they came to a deal with TikTok. Here, let's see. I don't even. Bro, Snapchat is crazy. I remember when I first started trading, or when I first got into the market, Snapchat, I remember at like $5. I remember it rocketing up here to like 80 and me wishing on like, oh, I wish I would have held on to the shares I had because it was like one of the free stocks Robinhood would give me sometimes. And then now it's right back to that area. It's kind of crazy. I have learned for me anyway 3 weeks plus on all contracts, even if I buy and sell same day. Hey, getting that time is nice. It's a nice cushion. Definitely helpful. Yeah, I would say 3 weeks is a good time frame actually. I think it's a really good way to go. I'm gonna sit down. All right. Look at Meta. My goodness. Do your thing, Meta. Oh, the Meta is right below 100%. Let's go Meta. Yeah, I hope it can kind of keep this momentum and hype. Wait, okay, let's see. Jerry, hey Matthew, you think it's too late to jump into the grab call? I would, if you are here. Let's look at grab real fast. I don't want to just like say it without looking at it. So in short, I would say no, but I also want to preface it because it's going to depend on like what you're looking at it for. So I like snagged that entry. It was like pretty much perfect. But no, I don't think it's too late. Here, let's see where. So grab. Notice we got till the beginning of 2027, so more than a year on that. Ideally, if we look at this kind of, I don't know, this move down. All right, here, let's say it'd be nice to get to like 10 on grab. Oh, Meta is moving some more. Hold up, what's going on? Yeah, this little 15-minute candle on Meta, that's pumping. Did we get some news on that? Let's see. Oh yeah, that meta is 145% now. I just said it was almost 100, bro. That just went nuts. What is yeah, let's slide this up real quick. What would it? Okay, so if it gets above 770, then 780 is next. So we'll see. All right, so back to grab though. It's like no, yeah, if you have patience, grab isn't necessarily supposed to be quick, but it could be. It's like if we get up there quickly to like that $10 range area, I'm hopping out pretty quick. Or if we lose momentum on the 4 hour, I'll hop out. But I don't think it's too late. These curves, yeah, I'm getting into that as well. Sometimes I grab a short expiration. Okay. Meta will pay for sure. Hey, here's to Meta 1,000. Hey, that would be nice. That would be. Oh dang, Meta is trying to. It's almost like it's trying to do a Tesla. Yeah, cause Meta. Hey, that's 167, 167% now. Yeah, Meta got the portfolio popping now. Here, let me check news on Meta. I think I need to run more. Notice the more I run, the better I trade. It's like whenever I don't know, whenever I had to like slack off. Hold up. Want to grab at 5, instead it went to 6. Still have a buy order. So what happened with grab was, if I see something that looks nice or kind of like what I, dang, Meta is still going. But with Grab, I just a lot of these that are still moving and have a lot of attention, I'll just set a what is it? An alert on the 13 EMA for the 4 hour time frame. And it's like if it's something I really want to get in and it's moving up, that's what urged me to get in on Grab. That's what urged me to get in on Meta. Well, actually, I kind of intended on getting on Meta like even before the market opened, but oh shoot, Snap trying to run. If Meta does, hey, shoot, if it hits 800, let me see the news. Okay, so the last news I see on Meta is will Mag 7 stock rally post Fed? What's the chart? I really don't see anything specific like about the last news is from 54 minutes on Meta. So I don't know what's going on. Hey, but I'm here for it. It's been too long since Meta had any move. I think this is the move. I think I made a video about it where I was like, yo, Meta should have a wait, hold on, why are we looking at Grab in two places? Meta, Grab, Apple. How's Hood doing? I was trying to pull back. The RSI is still in the 50s on the daily. It's still kind of relaxed on the 4 hour too. I mean, it's like closer to being overbought, but it's still kind of relaxed. Let's see the daily. Yeah, it's kind of chilling. Oh, wrong spot. So just Meta. Got the VIX kind of popping up today. Interesting. We got the VIX popping up today, but we're up. Okay. Fear in the market. PCE's kind of chilling. Google, my goodness, 250. Wow. Ooh, Google's up like 4%. Yeah, Google is percentage wise doing even better than Meta. Yeah, Google doing that thing. Let's see. How do I get to WAP? Look at SoFi too. Yeah, SoFi. Hey, D Skurs said SoFi to 30. Yeah, no chill. No chill on the SoFi. Going crazy. But yeah, SoFi. Yeah, that thing running. What's that? It's up 3.6. So confused. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Check the Discord. Okay. Wow, SoFi at 27.52. Okay. Have you looked at BMNR lately? So yeah, I was looking at getting in that. Like that's one. If it like pulls back to where I wanted to, I'll get in it today. But it hasn't done it yet. I set like an alert at the 13 EMA on the 4 hour. If it does it, let me check the options. Yes, April. I look at it. And yes, it does. Yes, it follows Ethereum. Let me let's see. Also, April, I just have a question. I just thought about it. What do your kids think about you trading stocks? Like, I feel like that's so cool. Like I was like, yo, my mom trades stocks. Like when I was in school, that's so cool. I'm just curious now. But what's that? Oh, I was trying to look at the options. Let's see. BMNR. Oh, let me see what kind of strike I would want to get if I were in BMNR. Let's see, that one has more here. So, oh, okay, hold up. I feel like if I got in Bitminer, I would want more time. See. So what? This is where it is September. Let's see. Are those? Oh, those are. How much for that? Mm, let's check the D curve 3 week. Mm, what's the delta? But yeah, if it moved, potential. If it hits my level, I'd be down to. Yeah, I'd still be down to get something. I probably have to get 3 weeks or at least, but or get 3 weeks because everything else is kind of pricey. All right. I'm watching Wolf for a pullback. Here, let's see. Actually, yeah. I know Wolf been going crazy. Oh, I got this from a call. I think it's already kind of charted. So I would see how it reacts at 10.15 in reference to Wolf, because there's some liquidity there that could potentially push it to 10.64 to 10.80. And then after that, if you catch it at 9.13, that's money. See Apple dipping a little bit. Yeah, I'm leaving it alone for now. But if it wants to do its thing, hey, I'm gonna let it do its thing. Let me get hydrated. All right. Looks like we're pulling back on some things right now. Sorry about that, y'all. Get a little strange. Whoa, that is a large bug. Well, that thing just came and like knocked on my window and said knock knock. It's crazy. Things you see in Texas. Oh, let me check something. Let's see. I was going to say Texas bugs or no. Really? I was born in Arkansas. But no, yeah, for real. No joke. When I moved to Colorado, probably one of my favorite things were the bugs. Like they were less prevalent, um, less of a threat. It was nice. It's kind of crazy. And then the wildlife you saw in okay. My kids think it's neat and they are very interested. I show them my retirement. That's such a great example, April. I wish that was yeah, that's nice right there. For me contributing every month in there. Hey, I wish. I kind of made bank when I was in high school. Like I had more money than I knew what to do with when I was in high school. If I would have known to invest or like had something to look forward to, mm, honestly, I probably wouldn't be here right now though. So I believe that everything that happens happens for a reason, but still, like, wow. Think Nvidia could get back to 180 ish. Yeah, I think it can. Let's see what the time frame's looking like, or what the chart. Oh, hold on. See what the chart's looking like. Oh yeah, it looks like it could. I mean, it needs to get above resistance, but yeah, it looks like it could. Here, let's. The EMA just crossed up to the upside, like on Wednesday. So it's kind of in an uptrend, but also if it ends up coming to like this 186 area, that might be a slowdown, kind of like watch out area. Bugs don't like the cold for sure. Honestly, I would say like for the most part, the weather in like where I was at in Colorado Springs versus Texas, I would say it's similar unless you're like way up in the mountains or I don't know. It's like at night. At night, the nights in Colorado got cool because it's dry, but during the day it's like it was just hot, just like Texas. And then I remember the first time I went to Pikes Peak and like drove up to the top on the ground. It was like it was 97 degrees, and then like you drive all the way up to Pikes Peak, which is like I guess like over 14,000 feet elevation, and it was like 40 something degrees up there. Real estate market is, oh yeah, I know it's rough. Yeah, and it's, but also like I was about to say, I see I got friends like getting into it. I think as this is the time to get into it, but like if you've been in it, yeah, compared to like, yeah, I know this is definitely a tougher time right now. This is helping you when you win your trades, show your kids so that they will always, hey, love it, April, love it. Should have listened to people when I was 16, 17 telling me to invest. I look back at stock prices and I wish, like, the only time I was told to invest is we had like this thing, it was called the stock market game, like where we invested and like we picked stocks and stuff and we try to like research. They didn't show us how to research or anything, but we were supposed to research and like it was kind of like a project in my AP math class in like 5th grade, but it I don't know. Me and my friends, out of like all the other people doing it in Dallas, there were like two other people that were in my group. We actually got like, no, we didn't like finish there, but hey, we hit top 3, number 3 out of everyone in the DFW at a point. And then some stuff changed, but yeah, that was the only thing that ever came to anyone telling me to invest. And like most of my teachers didn't really know too much about it either. But also it was a lot less accessible because you didn't really have your Robinhoods and stuff back then. So Robinhood like completely changed the game and made it like so much more accessible, brought a lot more volume to the markets and like really put it in people's hands. But even from when I started in like 2018, well, here's another one I'm upset about. So during COVID, I had this. I think we had 100 shares of this for $20 a share, RCL, during COVID. Oh my goodness, and it pays dividends. It's a dividend paying stock. Oh, hold up. And we got it. Nah, we got it over here. I think it might have been sub 20 that we bought it, but yeah, we bought it and my wife was mad at me for that one because I think she actually bought that and I like sold it. Like even if we just hold on to that, that's yeah, that was yeah, that's why I grind now. I'm like, yo, I got got some stuff to make up for. That was That was probably like my worst one. My goodness. Because you get dividends and, oh my, wow. That's like, I think I wrote it from like 20 to like 40, and then it's crazy. Imagine if you bought Netflix in 2004. How many? Nah, right? Yeah, that's why it's like I want to get my cash up, start picking up all these random companies, like companies under like, I don't know, like 15 and lower, start picking up like 100 shares of each of them. Like whenever I like get some large trades and whatnot. And then in the future, once they become something, I remember when Netflix was like, I want to say like 200 something. Here, let's see. I think it was around the time I was first getting into the stock market, and they like, I want to say they ran from like 200 to like 600 or something. Let's see. Nah, it was before that. That's still crazy right there too, that they came down there. So yeah, it was, I think it was like in this area. So so I remember my dad like had some, he was in around this like 240 area, and then they just went on this run to like almost 600 or something. And I just remember he was holding his shares at the point in time. I was like, yo, I was like, wow, do you still have them? And he was like, nah, I sold them. But I was just like, wow. And I remember he had Amazon, like it was pre-stock split, so I think it was like when it was like, it would have been when it was like 600. So probably in this, I guess like when it was like, no, I think it was on this run right here. So I think he had it when it was like, I guess the equivalent of about $50. And he rolled it up to this 100. Oh, I feel like the run was bigger than that. No, it might have been, I think he might have got in like somewhere in this 80 area and rode it up here. I just remember him having like something crazy with it. I was just like, wow. But he didn't really get into all that until I was in college. So I'm like, man, where was all this when I was growing up? Oh, hold up. Oh, there, I see I got a message from you. I'm still like a little off with these I'm not sure if you can hear me right now, Jerry, but still a little bit off with this WAP thing. I'm still like learning and getting used to it. So I'm gonna read your message real quick. I won't read it out loud, but I'm gonna read it. Don't want to miss something, need to learn. Oh, okay, I see you. Let's see. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's see. Whoa, where'd it go? What just... There we go. Oh, also, I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I addressed this on stream. I think it may have just been in the Discord, but sorry, I gotta get used to this new layout of my screens. So I have a hard time finding the mouse sometimes. But I'm gonna be doing less day trades now, just cause I realize how many people are like following me to have similar kind of trade ideas and like how much of an impact this is. And I also put like a little bit more in just so I care a little bit more. Cause it's like I think what was it, Friday? I had like a bunch of lottos and I guess some people didn't know what it was, so I was like, yo, or somebody said something. So I was like, I'm only looking for quality now. Only quality. So I'll keep myself from taking the less obvious trades. Out of my snap, got a few bucks, Apple testing support. Kind of depends on you. Depends on like I guess what time frame. I guess support for the day or where it is right now looks like it's like a little bit below 236. But yeah, Apple doesn't necessarily need to do anything today. Bro, the Qs, the NASDAQ, wow. Pushing. I think we'll be up here like this until here, let's open Forex Factory. We got tomorrow, we got core retail sales. It's the big one. Wednesday, federal funds rate. Wild. Yeah, but yeah, Apple doing a little pullback. Hold on. 1 second. Okay. Okay, let's see. You're up. $8 a contract. I use your entry as a curve. Here, let me see. What was I just doing? Oh no, I was looking at my contracts. Let's see. So I'm up like Oh, I'm up $27 overall, so I think I'm up like 13.50 a contract, 14 a contract. No, you can't be up exactly 13.50, so I'll round up to 14. I would love to see Nvidia at 200 by October 3rd. Hey, October 3rd. Let's check the dates. Nvidia. Wrong chart. Oh wait, it does. Even if it's still below this little trend line, yeah, I think it could get there and still kind of respect this. So even if it's getting ready to pull back, so I think it could happen, but it'll be like breaking back into that channel if it gets up there like earlier though. Oh, Speed's in Dallas today. I show Speed. I forgot he's doing that little America tour. It's kind of wild. He was in Panama a few months back. Yeah, I mean that man, hey, that man is global. I don't think I could like just sit there and watch him like live. I feel like I I hear he's like super chill when he's not live. I know he like takes on like a completely different persona when he's live, but I don't think I could just like sit there and just watch him while he's live like that. The energy it's like a little too much for me. But yo, some of the clips though, yeah, I just see man from the yeah his streams are long. Yeah, I don't know how. Yeah, they're long. Like, hey, homie is grinding, definitely grinding. Like it's like I don't know how I don't know how he does it, but he's doing it. I don't think I've ever like watched him like just live like that. I know they'll like take his stuff and like they'll like take his lives and they'll kind of make vlogs out of them. I've seen a couple of vlogs. I'm like, okay, he's in Japan. I'm like, oh, cool. Let's see what he does in Japan. But no, I don't think I could just sit there and watch the lives like that. Oh, hold up. Grab is a little slow mover. How's Grab? Hey, up 25% on Grab. Hey, we'll take that. All right, let's look through my little list. I want to look at Lulu. I hope it falls some more. Nvidia trying today, slow and steady. Oh, yeah, it looks a lot different on the 15 minute. Yeah, it is. On the 4 hour, it just looks like it just keeps getting slapped down at this area. But yeah. That's great. It was early then. I don't even remember what we were talking about. Um, unless we're still talking about stocks. If so, I think you might be behind April. Like I think it is 11:46 at the time of me saying this, just for the record. Oh, let's see. My dad was taught early to invest at his job for Encore, and he would be a millionaire, so he did it, and it came true. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's so nice. That's cool. I'm glad you got that good foundation in. It's like me, it's wild. I kind of had the money, or actually at that age, I mean, I had the money for the age. It's like, yo, at that age, I was balling. My parents didn't really have to pay for anything for me, except for I was on my mom's health insurance plan. Um, yeah, I was on my mom's health insurance plan. I did get some hand-me-down cars, but other than that kind of stuff, yeah, I was paying for everything. I mean, my parents still pay for stuff, but I didn't ask them to. So where a lot of kids would, ask their parents. Nah, yeah, I was paying for everything, like my phone, all my clothes, gas was high back then. It's like I've never seen gas, like gas has not returned to those prices anymore. I remember it used to be like, in Texas it used to be like $5 a gallon. Like when I started driving it was like 4.30, 4.50, up to like 5. And then now it's like in Texas it's like $2, 2.30. Like, yo, where was this when I was driving? Like we like whenever people wanted to ride anywhere, yeah, we straight up used to say gas money. Like it's like, yo, if you didn't have $5, it's like, yo, I'm a you might need to find another way to get home. But yeah, that's really good. I hope everything's around long enough for me to impart this on my kids as well, or like kind of like give this knowledge and whatnot. Things are rough out there right now. Not for me specifically, but just in general, things are rough. Yo, tell me it's lunchtime. without telling me it's lunchtime. And I'm not saying that because I'm hungry. I'm saying that because stock's kind of chilled out now. Yeah, I'm going to look at the SPY, see how it's doing in a shorter time frame, see what it's kind of giving. Let's see. Slide that over a bit. This is either a good point to buy or a good point to sell. Let's see what happens here with the SPY. I'm about to get off, eat, and watch GOT. See if I get more Apple and Wolf while I'm eating. Hey, peace out, M-Sense. All right, so we're chilling. Oh, Game of Thrones. Okay, yeah, I have never heard it referred to as GOT, so it like threw me off. GOT, GOT. Haven't heard. I was like, yo, I thought that was like a typo or something. I guess I'm just not with it. All right, SPY pulling back. We might get a little pullback action here. You're eating breakfast even though it's lunchtime. I was eating dinner not too long ago, even though it was breakfast time. I had like salmon and I don't know, it was like one of those meals from HEB. That mess hit. I just like to go and try them all. This was good. Here, let me pull up Tesla. Let's see what's up with Tesla. I feel like I set an alert, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I got an alert on this 13 EMA if it pulls back here. But I don't think it's going to pull back like that, or at least not today. So I think we're just here chilling like some villains. I ain't got any news alerts or anything since, or for like an hour. That Meta Man just been a sweep of liquidity. I thought SPY to 700 was too optimistic for Tom Lee, but now, hey, he said now you're seeing it. Oh yeah, it's like $40 away. Oh, where we start the year at? Was that no? The year? Wait, no. This is March. Oh, so we started like. Okay, I mean, we're still up, like, solid on the year. That's crazy. If we get up there, here, let's see. So I guess we kind of, see. Let's say we start here. Yeah, as of right now, we're up like 13, almost 14% on the year. Let me like double check that. Let me see if I can get the exact date we opened up. No, we gotta move that over. January 2nd. So actually, nah, okay, so we're up like 12% on the year. That's still wild. I also said, hey, yeah, I saw that. I have a hard time believing that, but hey, we'll see. We'll see. So that means if you want to double up your money, you can grab some Bitcoin right now. Hey, let's see Tom Lee. I mean, he's not one I'd want to go against. He has definitely been doing his thug dizzle. Yeah, that's a lot of selling pressure on Meta. That's a 4-hour. Let's see what Apple's looking like on the 4-hour. Okay. Let's buy on the 4. Oop. Let me take that back to the 15. SPY trying to bring it on down right now. See how Lyft's doing. Okay, Lyft over at 1956. GLD popping up too. All right, SPY, we got that candle close. Lyft is, yeah, Lyft is, hey, it's on the move. I was gonna get in, but I'm like, yo, let me hold off on that for now. It's like it opened like almost right where it needed to be, but yeah, on the day Lyft is, yo, it's taking off. Oh, hold up. Let's see. Analyst services. Check out the SPY fall of 2018 ran through. D-Scurv, that is right when I started investing and getting into the market. Like I had no idea what was going on. But yeah, that's why I thought like I'm like, oh wow. I'm like, you get returns in the stock market fast. But yeah, that's right when I started investing. Daily or weekly. Here, let's see. This is like a haunted house you're trying to send me to, D-Scurv, trying to scare me in the charts. Let's see. Dang, we gotta go back. It's over here? No, that's 2020. Alright. Okay, so fall of 2018 ran through September. It's a slow rise too. Yeah, dang. I mean, hey, leading up to here, that was crazy though. What kind of percentage was that? So from August of 2017 to January of 2018, you got a 17% run. All right, let's see. Then over here from July of 2018 okay, until October of 2018. So we got like a 10% run, and then it ended up, we fell pretty much. Yeah, we got like a 20% haircut. Almost. Not your typical October, November. Hey, for real. I didn't know it wasn't typical at the time, but yeah, that's right when I started. Like, that was before I started trading. I was legit just investing there. That was like when I was first exposed to the markets, watching CNBC every day. Any hope for Airbnb? When you say hope for Airbnb, are you looking for upside on it? Let's zoom out real quick. Right now, there's a lot of choppiness on Airbnb, and it is currently. Oh, there's support kind of at this 113 area. There's some liquidity down at 100, and let's go to the weekly. It's currently in a downtrend. So if you're looking for upside, I would say it doesn't look the best. Yeah, so it's like it could pull up but I don't see it coming higher than 124 just because it's in a downtrend. That's kind of my take on it. Whole lot of selling going on. I'm glad you find that to be great. Hope it helped. Kind of sleepy a little bit. Yes, I was behind, had a work call. Oh, that sounds good. At work. Or hopefully it's cool. Good work calls. But hey, glad you're all caught up. Got some work to do today. APLD. You take a look at APLD. It's been running. XRP. All right, I'm going scouting. Positions, watch list, markets. Oh, we don't have anything that moves like too crazy today. But OKLO looks like it's having a day. set an alert here. All right, y'all. I'm looking for unusual activity. $5.85 puts on QQQ. Open. Oh, I didn't even take a look at open there. Open kind of chilling right now. Apple selling off, pulling on back. Get back in here, look at SPY. All right, do we think the SPY is going to get stopped by this area of what was previously resistance, or we think it's going to keep falling? XRP about to squeeze. Yeah, I had that on my screen, right? Is XRP the move? Yeah, low-key, there's a break and retest on XRP. Oh, let me, yeah, what's that, can I trade XRP on this? Let's see. Trade. Oh, okay. Cannot do it on this Moomoo account. I'd have to do it on Robinhood. But yeah, it does look good. Like XRP looks like it might go crazy. I might get like 10 on Robinhood. But this is, we'll call this a speculation because I'm not going to share this one. This is just, oh wait, hold up. What is it, XRP? Wait, what is this? Turn on smart exchange routing for fees as low as a tenth. What is? Finds the best available price across multiple partner exchanges. Orders placed with this. Get this setting qualify for features. How much is it normally? Okay, we'll see. All right, I just picked up some XRP at $3.01. And 15. We'll see. All right, here, I'll draw my little entry thing. Yeah, we're in right here. Here we go. Like to see us get up here. let it squeeze. Yeah, we're selling off now. Here, let's come down on the. Oh, we're still. Hold on. We got an EMA missing on the SPY. I think I must have deleted it. Let's see. Moving average. Let's get that one changed up. Gotta change it to 13. And we gotta, there we go. Yeah, we crossed below that. All right, SPY doing some more falling. The volume's kind of low though. Not too concerned right now. Let's let me check in on Apple too, see what the volume's looking. Yeah, it's like a low volume sell. So this is good. This is good. It's healthy. Let me get in and check Meta as well. Yeah. Like the volume came in, chilled out. Yeah, maybe it'll be back tomorrow. All right, pulling on back some more. Here, what was this? So we closed out 660. Okay, it's not really as big of a fall as it seems like. It's pretty consistent, but it's not that big. Feel like I need a nap. XRP pulling on down. SPY slightly below support. Volume still low though. Coming on down some more. We got the 13 EMA or 48 EMA at 659.31. Selling on off. All right, so SPY looks like it may be potentially holding up. Looks like it may have found some buyers. Q's potentially too. The Q's is at support, but still waiting to see how it holds. XRP looks like, it may not be ready to take off for it yet. Crazy how fast things sweep liquidity, or at least that market open. You gotta have your mind made up beforehand, pretty much. Ooh. SPY pushing back up a little bit. Stand back up. Stand up. Oh, Meta's still holding up on the 13 EMA today. Okay, we'll take that. We'll take that. Any idea what the difference is between XRPI and XRPT? Let's see. So XRPT is 2x. Yeah. So XRPT is 2x, and the other one is XRPI is 1x. So that's the only difference. If you look at the percentage that they're up, one's up 3 something, the other one's up 6 something, percentage wise. We are trying. Oh, Uber's having a good day. Let's see. Didn't even notice that. Hold up, looks like I got a larger channel drawn on this. Oh, yeah, look at Uber. Let me get rid of this old stuff. 98.60. All right, we look like we're trying to come down some more. Short time frame. Wait, these short time frame on what? I lost. What did this say? Yeah, that is a big truck. Uber. Okay. Oh. So right before market open, they blasted up. They continued on. Kind of consolidating. They either got some more down here at 97.14 or wait. Nah, it's in an uptrend. So yeah, that would be the move. Trying to look to get in right here. Apple coming on down. There goes Uber pushing some more. Oh yeah, there goes. Hey, Uber trying to do that thing. Let's get it. Uber at 98.18. D-Scourge, do you have any Uber out of curiosity? I know this one you like to talk about. Yeah, it's kind of pushing a little bit. It's pushing into that liquidity. See if it can take it out or push past it. Did sold my contracts Friday, made good profit, but again, hey, who'd have thought? Well, it's like it was a possibility, but like just the way everything was on Friday, there was a great probability that things could have come down pretty hard at open today. So definitely not a bad place to take profit on Friday. All right, Uber pushing up some more. Yeah, wait, this is. Hold up, let's zoom back out on Uber. Is it at all-time highs or is it? Yeah, Uber is. Yeah, it's all-time high in right now. And then Spy's looking good on that. Spy's looking good on the 15-minute as well. It's starting to try to come back. Meta kind of pulling back. You got Uber. Uber is at 98.42. Okay, Uber looking good. Looking good. But do have to watch out here. There is some selling pressure over here. There's some sellers in this area. See if it can get past this resistance. $12.34. All right, Spy pushing up back above 660. Uber looks like it might be going for a double top. Yeah, this selling pressure might be it for Uber. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Uber trying to push. Qs are yet to sell below, but still not quite there yet. Uber is trying. Okay, Uber is pushing. Okay. Hey, Uber about to make a new all-time high. It's like right there. It is right there. Meta selling off. All right, Uber. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. That was some high quality H2O though. Yeah, Meta selling off a little bit. Where did top out? All right, so it went to like 774. And that was down $10 from highs on the day. Yeah, we're still selling off on everything. Apple's TV Plus business gets a boost with 22 Emmy wins. What's ahead? Okay. I don't think that should be really a major factor at all. Uber tied all-time high is trying. Yeah, we'll see if it gets it. It's like right now, is it going to sweep or is it gonna like pull on back? Yeah, we're like right in there. All right, Spy trying to push back up. Q's trying to hold up too. Hey, maybe we're not done. Bro, where am I? Okay. Still gonna get used to this setup. Oh yeah, Spy coming back with a vengeance. Bounced off kind of hard from that area of support. What's this look like on the 1 hour? Four. Oh yeah. Yeah, Spy pushing. Let's see if we can get a little pushy push from Uber. It's like right there. Then maybe a little pushy push from Apple and Grab and Meta. Already got the market pushing highs. Oh yeah, Spy pushing. Let's see. Got the Q's kind of pushing a little bit too. Oh yeah, Spy and the Q's are. Spy kind of bounced hard right there. We'll see what we end up forming. Uber and Lyft. Here, let's see. Let's check on here. I'll swap out Grab for Lyft. Oh, Lyft pushing a little harder though. Ooh, percentage wise, yes. Yeah, Uber definitely bringing it up. Spy pushing more, Q's pushing more. Yeah, Uber's just chilling now. Lyft calls are up 100. Hey, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Eating on those. 180. It's a nice return. Hey, here's the hope. Hoping Lyft keeps going. Let the stock market lift up. Up 83% on GME. You said something about GME on Friday, right? Let's see. I feel like there was a reason too that you were talking about with GME. Let's see. I mean, yeah, pulled back. It was at an area. It's up a little bit. Hey, that's good. That's good. Yeah, 83 is a good return too. Honestly, bro, even at 10% is a good return. But yo, nice. I hope it goes to the moon for you, family. Today's Monday. Yeah, but it was because of the warrants. Never thought you'd be up on GME. Here, let me let's see if there's GameStop currently up 7 consecutive days, on track for longest winning streak since July 2024. Okay. 7-day winning streak. Hold up. Wednesday does not look like a winning streak, but if it says it was up. Yeah. All right, M-Sense lift to 20 and then eventually 30, but we'll pull back first. Yeah, I think I got my alert set for if Lyft wants to actually pull back. I think that's what I'm not sure I set the alert. Let's see. Wait. No. Yeah, I'm not sure I set the alert. Alright, so I for sure have one now. I think I just looked at it earlier. And Wolf at 10:13. Also grabbed another Apple. So I'm still chilling with Apple. Like I don't have any feelings about that. Like nothing's changed. So I would still be chill with that. Lyft. I would say it looks solid for a re-entry. What are you said you got in on Wolf? There was like liquidity. I was looking. Oh, I didn't even realize it pulled back. Yeah, so I guess it. Yeah, I guess it swept liquidity. Here, let me look. I might be down. Let's see. See what I can find. Also, hold up. Actually, I'm not sure. Here, let's see how much the contracts are. Honestly, I don't think I love it, but honestly, it can run more. Hold up. Let's see. Theta or Delta. Honestly, it's not bad. So I'm not gonna get it, but I do think I do. So I like the October 3rd $11 call. The Delta is like 39 cents on that one, almost 40. And yeah, I would think it could push and make another high potentially. Like I wouldn't put that out of the question. So I like that one, but I'm not gonna take it. I think I'm good with the trades I'm in for now. I'm gonna let them kind of like play out, or at least like look to take profit on one first. Alphabet options volume jumped Monday as the capital of Google's parent company climbed to 3 trillion, becoming the fourth US stock to reach that milestone. Oh, that's lovely, M-Sense. Gotta love when you get apostoped. It's always fun. Hold up, I just got another package. Let's see. Okay, Meta actually didn't sell off below that. That's good. And then the Qs looks like it's trying to push back up. Spy is trying as well. Okay, what's the volume looking like? Volume still pretty low, but it is, or at least on the Spy and the Qs, but it's higher than the red volume, so that's cool. Let's see. And then we got Meta trying to push back up. We'll take it. If you want to go make a new high of day, we'll take that as well. What is this? Oh. Apple trying to push up a little bit too, but Apple's below its 13 EMA. So hey, we'll keep an eye on that one. Wolf trying to hold up. Apple trying to move up. Hold up, I gotta get Uber back up here. I just gotta know. Oh no, it's not doing it right now. All right, let's see Lyft. Uber's not trying to do it right now. But Lyft, yo, it's being lifted right now. Gifted, lifted, higher than the ceiling. Okay, Wolf trying to do a little. Oh, this is 4 hour, but yeah, Wolf look like it might be trying to do a little sweepy sweep too. Just take a little longer. All right, got a little slow. We might have found our little sideways point for the day. All right, here we see the waveform. Yeah, I think we're good. All good. Bro, it's kind of hot in here. I'm gonna have to turn on my little fan. Lyft is pushing. Yeah, pushing the highs a day. Trying to make new ones. Q's trying to push again. Apple's kind of boring. Let's see Tesla. Hey, Tesla might be something if it comes to like 413 as well. Okay, hey, Meta trying to find a little bit more life. SPY trying to push up. The Qs is a pretty darn close to all-time highs once again. I guess we just gonna keep making these all-time highs. I'm here for it. I wasn't when I had my puts last week, but I'm here for it now. I'm on board. All right, the Qs is like right there. SPY's pushing up. I would say this is no, not exactly, but SoFi trying. Oh, yeah, SoFi check. Let's go. Let's go. Hold up. Oh dang. Look at SoFi. My goodness. My goodness. Wow. Let's go. High a day. It's like 27.77 or so. Yeah, we got the Q's about to get it. Lyft is killing it. Hey, we'll Meta, if you want to kill it too, we'll take that. We'll accept that. Yes, now is your time to shine. SoFi all-time high 28.50. I got, what is it? It's up. I got 28.34. Do you have it hitting? If it hit 28.50, then that's all-time high. But the highest I got on my chart is 28.34. If it hit 28.50 intraday or anything like that, then I wouldn't have got it because I think I took it from a weekly chart, but or not intraday, maybe in the pre-market or something. I got mine from a weekly chart, but if it did it within regular trading hours, I should. Like it should be 28.34. But yeah, SoFi, it's going. It's trying to SoFi lift. Come on, let's get it. Oh, that's gonna do it for the day, family. Got a little excited. But yeah, family, that's gonna do it for the day. Appreciate y'all like stopping by. Got a lot of exciting developments in the market. All right, so just to remind y'all of the pickups. So we got them picked up the Meta 810 call that expires on the 26th. Picked up the Apple 245 call that expires on the 26th as well. And I picked up the Grab 550 call that expires January 15th, 2027. All right, so with that being said, appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming by. I hope all y'all's trades run it like Lyft is right now. And yeah, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Marshall. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Mahishu. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.